Hello Internet, I'm Timo, and today we're going to be unboxing some mystery switches from Jay at ProtoTypist. He's assured me they're not going to be clickies, but let's find out. So what do we think they're going to be? So first of all, we've got some... Oh, okay. So it's a 3D printed stem holder and switch opener, I guess. It's kind of cool. Come back to that in a minute. We have a 70 pack of JWC piano linears, which for me is kind of useful because they're very, very close to what I use at the moment. I use Oil Kings at the moment, and as far as weights go, they feel incredibly similar. So, next thing I got, if I could even find out how to get into it. You'd think as a box it'd be easy, but apparently not. Is the cutest little yellow switch opener. So it does both cherry style and kale. So that can just go there and be cute. So yeah, these are POM mystery material stem, 63.5 grams, apparently gold plated springs. I mean, they feel nice. They could definitely do with a little lube. I'm actually really stoked with these. I can't pretend I'm not. So me and my switches are going to f now, and I'll see you next time.